iPad Air 5 and the folio touch. So let's unbox it. The accessory. I'm just one hand, so yeah. So you got the thingy, your touchpad, drag pediment, the keyboard, back keys, and stupid instructions. No one ever reads, so it goes in the bin. It goes in the bin. But now, the iPad that I'm so happy about. So let's unbox it. Oh. And then, so this is my specs. The plastic is everywhere, but iPad itself. Has no smell. No, there's no smell. But got the iPad. Your instructions. Your iPad Air. Warranty and the big ass Apple stickers. You got your 20-watt power adapter that I actually need, and then your USB-C cable. I wish for 2 liters, but I have plenty of charge. So naman. Okay, let's do it. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. Have it up here, and then I just put it in. What's this? What's this? More plastics is in the back. Okay. Put it in. Sorry, 1 minute. So that is the tablet. Let's power her on. I might need some charge. Oh, never mind. I like the landscape. The landscape Apple logo. So get this, here for setup. iPad OS 17, baby. Then okay. I'm so excited. Then, so for me, and then my passcode. Oh, I do this. The number, my passcode. It doesn't look pink to me, but I don't care. Oh, that's really nice. Oh my god, the trackpad, then continue. I'm thinking about getting the Apple Pencil too. Apple Pencil 2. God, that's confusing. And then for Touch ID, I will use my index finger. Okay, then done. I will do this later. The trackpad feels kind of weird, but here then you will agree to terms and conditions, of course. It's a nice tablet. It's really nice. This piece stay with you. And I got that email. Joining your iPad. I want to start from the beginning because this is a 256 gigabyte iPhone and it's a 64 and it wouldn't fit because I filled up my iPhone somehow. So customize, transfer anything, and then continue, enable that. I will put that in. I will not show you that because this is me going in anytime now. It's kind of bad. I am like the felt. It kind of feels similar to the Apple parsing clock. And then I set up my audio card and then save it Apple. Yep. I will continue in the software program and she's done. So I'm going to customize